my old microwave, which I turned into a mushroom growing thing. It took 2 months, but finally the mushrooms are popping up. So yellow oyster mushrooms, just starting to show up. It's basically a mycelium infused little block, which was fairly useless, but I packed it in with cardboard and paper and some twigs. So now I've got a very nice little clump on the go. So mushrooms, even if you buy them, it can take a few weeks or it can take months before they show. Rip it all apart, give it a good rinse, make sure there's no bugs in there. You will get bugs, that's just when you grow mushrooms. Give it a rinse, and there you go. Mushroom is ready to cook. So to make extra sure there's no living bugs in that, it's been rinsed a few times, massacred. It's not going to go in the freezer, just to make sure there's no actual crawling things in there. The people who tell you that mushrooms are 90% water, they're just pushing an agenda. That's all they're doing. The stuff you buy in the supermarket might be soaked in water and chemicals, but actual mushrooms that you pick yourself or grow yourself, they are not 90% water. I can promise you, this is not 90% water.